Your AV receiver is officially obsolete. 2025 soundbars aren't just simple TV speakers anymore. They're full-blown home theater systems. And they don't need a receiver to crush your expectations. These 5 Dolby Atmos soundbars are here to dominate the home entertainment game wirelessly. Why soundbars are destroying receivers in 2025. Receivers are bulky. Wires are ugly. Calibration is a nightmare. Soundbars said no to all of it. In 2025, the best soundbars deliver everything an AVR system does. Dolby Atmos, wireless rears, powerful bass, room correction, and they do it with zero hassle. Here's what the future looks like. True Dolby Atmos with vertical height channels from a single sleek bar. Wireless subwoofers and rears with no cable spaghetti. Built-in AI room correction that mimics Dirac or Odyssey. HDMI 2.1 support for 4K per 120 Hz, gaming on PS5 and Xbox Series X. No more guessing. No more tuning. Just plug, play, and feel every sound explode around you. The top 5 receiver killer soundbars of 2025. Number 5, LG S95TR. The LG S95TR is not here to be subtle. With 9.1.5 channels and a mind-blowing 810 watts of total output, it delivers cinematic chaos wrapped in elegance. Why it hits hard. AI Room Calibration Pro tailors the sound like high-end receivers. Triple up-firing drivers shower your ceiling with overhead detail. Wireless rears and sub bring thunder with zero setup frustration. This one is made for users who want the brain of an AVR and the soul of a monster, without lifting a single wire. Number 4, JBL Bar 1300X. The JBL Bar 1300X is what happens when engineering meets freedom. 1.1.4 channels of atmospheric immersion with no strings attached, literally. Here's why it's a beast. Detachable, battery-powered rear speakers. Place them anywhere, no wires. 4K per 120 Hz pass-through ready for next-gen gaming. Dolby Atmos and DTS. X both baked in for true 3D sound. It's perfect for gamers and action lovers who want that theater-grade movement, but hate the cable jungle. Number 3, Samsung Q990D. The Samsung Q990D is the king of aggressive precision. With 1.1.4 channels, it doesn't just fill the room, it swallows it. Why it's nearly untouchable. SpaceFit Pro auto-calibrates the sound based on your room. Q Symphony syncs perfectly with Samsung TVs for unified audio power. AI voice enhancement makes whispers clear and explosions roar. Ideal for movie lovers who want every whisper, every step, every bullet to feel terrifyingly real. Number 2, Sonos Arc Plus Sub Plus Era 300. The Sonos Arc with Sub and Era 300s is wireless done right. It's not just a soundbar. It's a seamless, smart audio ecosystem that delivers massive detail with ridiculous simplicity. Why it's smarter than the rest. Lossless Dolby True HD Atmos when paired with Apple TV. Era 300 speakers provide actual vertical separation. TruePlay tuning with your iPhone makes it room-ready in seconds. For Apple users and design-conscious audiophiles, this is the closest thing to perfection in a box. Number 1, Sony Bravia Theater Quad. The Sony Bravia Theater Quad isn't playing games. It's not just the best soundbar of the year. It's a complete AVR replacement disguised as a clean, modern system. Here's why it's king. 4 wireless rear speakers for real directional sound movement. 360 spatial sound mapping creates a virtual dome of sound. Flawless PS5 and Bravia TV integration for low-lag, high-immersion audio. Gamers, cinephiles, and setup haters. This is your one-box dream machine. How to choose the right system for your room. To make the right call, stick to this checklist. Must support HDMI 2.1 if you're gaming. Room correction is non-negotiable, whether it's AI, Dirac, or TruePlay. No less than 5.1.2 channels. Fake Atmos isn't worth your time. Choose wireless rears if you want that true surround sound punch. If your pick doesn't check all 4 boxes, it's already outdated. The final verdict. The war is over, soundbars won. Soundbars have evolved past their reputation. They've broken free from TVs. They've dethroned receivers. The only thing left is for you to choose your side. Will you drag those tangled cables into another year? Or will you go wireless and unleash next-gen, sound the way it was meant to be heard? Call to action. Make your choice known. Team Soundbar or Team AVR? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more brutally honest, future-focused reviews like this, hit subscribe. Next week, we're testing a tiny subwoofer that hits harder than systems 10 times its size. The revolution is now, and it's wireless.